Now we're going to look at the particle photon i2c part code. First, we are including wire.h, that is the library I'm going to use. And then we define the slave address with the particle photon address as 0x05. We make integer number equal to 0 and make a list my data of 8 integers. We're declaring each slot state with 0, and then we declare bucket cars at 0, declare slots as integer as 5, and declare a variable as slots minus bucket cars. First, we making the setup. So the setup, inside the setup, we're going to begin the wire library with the slave address. And then on receive, we're going to call the function of receive data, which we're going to define in a second. And on request, we're going to do the or call the send data function, which we'll describe in a second. And particle.variable, we make a 2 variable. I will talk about these 2 variables later on. We declaring a variable with particle photon, which you can access online on the cloud. Slot 4 state and slot 5 state, with the slot 4 state which coming from here. And then we looping. In the loop, we making a delay, and then convert data. We make another delay, and then we publish the data. So on receive data, we're going to make a loop. So while wire.available, we're going through all the data that are coming, and then wire.read, once it's read any data, we put it into the number which we declared before as integer, and then we put this data inside the my data list. With send data, we're going to send back the first integer that is in my data just to confirm that it has been received. In convert data function, we're putting each of the integers that is coming into the slot state. So the first data that has come, I'm going to put it in the first slot state. The second data, I'll put it to second slot state, etc. And then the bucket cars, it's just the addition of all these states because it's either 0 or 1. And as we know, the slots are 5. So we can calculate the available by deducting the slots minus bucket cars. The published data, I'm going to use particle.publish, and then that is what is published is slot 1 state, and taking the slot state, change it to string, and then publish it like that. And delay between each state. Also, the bucket cars is published to a string, and then slots and available. So on the website, we're going to get all this state into the cloud. I hope this gives an idea about the slave part of the i2c, which is the particle photon.